Hi again. In this video, we're going to solve a three-digit division problem using the partial quotients method. So as you can see, we're going to do 378 divided by 6. As you see at the bottom, I'm going to write my multiples of 6 to try and make this easier. So I know that 6 times 6 equals 36, so 6 times 60 will give me 360. I write 60 on top. Now, I'm going to do 60 times 6 to give me my 360, and I'm going to put that right below 378. Now, I'm going to subtract 360 from 378 and see what I have left. I have 18 left, so the next question is, how many times does 6 go into 18? Well, again, I can look at my bottom there and see that 6 times 3 will give me 18, so 6 goes into 18 3 times. I write 3 at the top. To figure out my final answer, I need to put all my partial quotients together, 60 plus 3. Therefore, the final answer of 378 divided by 6 equals 63. Let's try another partial quotients problem. 297 divided by 6. Once again, I'm going to write my multiples of 6 at the bottom to make it easier later on. I can see that 6 times 2 will give me 12, so I know that 6 times 20 will give me 120. I write 120 below 297 and subtract. I'm left with 177. I repeat the same step that I did first. 6 times 20 will give me 120. I write 20 up above, and I'm going to multiply 20 by 6 and put it below 177. I do that and subtract. 177 minus 120 equals 57. Now I need to ask myself, how many times does 6 go into 57? Well, 6 times 9 equals 54, so I know it goes in there 9 times, and I write 9 above. Then I do 9 times 6 to give me 54. I subtract that from 57 and am left with 3. I will ask myself one more time, how many times does 6 go into 3? Well, the answer is 0 times. Therefore, that 3 is a remainder. Final step, I add all my partial quotients up to figure out my final answer. 297 divided by 6 equals 49, remainder of 3.